Hi children, good morning. Welcome to video classes. Children, I explained you in geography part 1, 2, 3 lessons. But I did not complete the bit part. Now let us do the bit part in those lessons. Children, open your textbooks, page number 7. First Roman is question and answers are there. We will give the material to you. Don't be bothered about that. Next Roman is tick the correct answer. The first one is the planet known as the Earth twin is. Here three planets are given: Jupiter, Saturn and Venus. What is your answer? Jupiter is the largest planet, Saturn is the second largest and Venus is the beauty planet. Venus is considered Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. That's why here the answer is Venus. The first bit answer is Venus. Next, which is the third nearest planet to Sun? Here three are given: Venus, Earth, Mercury. Remember one sentence. Already I told that sentence to you. I read again that sentence. Listen carefully. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Here, in order of the sun, distance from the sun, this sentence explains you all the planets. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth. Here, what is the question? What is the third nearest planet? Now you say, what is the third nearest planet? S. Earth. Earth is the correct answer. Tick the Earth. Next one. All the planets move around the sun in a dash. Planets, they don't have their own heat and light. That's why these are all planets move around the sun in one fixed path. The shape of the path is elongated. Okay, the shape of that path is elongated. All the planets move around the sun in a elongated path. So tick the elongated path. That is the correct answer of the C bit. Next, D. The pole star indicates the direction to the dash: south, north and east. What is your answer? Yes, north direction. What is meant by the pole star? Pole star does not change its position. It always shines in the north direction. In the ancient time, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of the pole star. That's why pole star indicates the direction, north direction. And next bit. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The correct answer is Mars and Jupiter. What is meant by asteroids? Along the planet's satellites, some numerous tiny bodies which also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So here already tick the correct answers completed, children. Now come to the next. Fill in the blanks. A group of dash forming various patterns in is called dash. A group of stars, you write group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. What is the meant by constellation? It is a patterns of a design of stars. Here group of stars forming various designs, that is called a constellation. First blank you filled with stars, second one constellation. The huge system of stars is called a galaxy. A huge system of stars is called a galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. The million of such galaxies that make the universe. Next, dash is the closest celestial body to our earth. The celestial bodies, which are shining objects in the sky, are called celestial bodies. Dash is the closest celestial body. Yes, the moon. The moon is the closest celestial body to our earth. Dash is the third nearest planet to sun. What is the third nearest planet? Our earth. Already I explained you. The earth is the third nearest planet to sun. Planets do not have their own dash and dash. Planets do not have their own heat and light. That's why this all revolves around the sun. That is the answers of first lesson. Here things to do is there. You prepare a chart of the solar system. You prepare a chart of the solar system. Remaining works we will do in the classroom. Next, come to the next lesson. The globe, latitudes and longitudes. The first one is question answers and the next one is tick the correct answers. The value of the prime meridian is meridians. Meridians means longitudes. Okay. The value of the prime meridian. Prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. What the value of that meridian is 0 degrees. 0 degrees is the value of the prime meridian. Tick the answer 2. The frigid zone lies near the dash. Frigid zone. Frigid means too cool. Here three options are given to you. The poles, the equator and the Tropic of Cancer. The equatorial zone is too hot. The Tropic of Cancer is also heat. One of the heat zone. Next, the poles. The frigid zone lies near the poles. The poles is the correct answer of this bit. The total number of longitudes are meridians 360, 180 and 90 are given. 180 the total number of the latitudes plus equator, so you should add with this number. 360 is the correct answer of this bit. Now the total number of longitudes are 360. Next, fourth one. The Antarctic Circle is located in which hemisphere? The northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, the eastern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half part of the earth. Two lines divides our earth into two equal halves. What are those two lines? As 0 degrees longitude and 0 degrees latitude. 0 degrees latitude divides the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and 0 degrees longitude divides you the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The Antarctic Circle located in the southern hemisphere. Here it is located in the southern hemisphere. Grid is a network of dash. Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. When the latitudes and longitudes connect one to another, square type boxes are appear to you on the globe on a map. Those boxes are called grids. So here the answer is 1. Parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Next, come to the fill in the blanks. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at the northern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, it is in the southern hemisphere. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at the southern hemisphere. The value of the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south. Okay. The standard meridian of India, 82.5 degrees east meridian, is called the standard meridian of India. Your India is located in the eastern hemisphere from the Greenwich. That's why you write the letter E after the 82.5 degrees. So our standard meridian is 82.5 degrees east meridian. Next, the 0 degrees meridian is also known as, what is the another name of 0 degrees meridian? Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Next, the distance between the longitudes decreases towards the poles. The distance between the longitudes decreases towards the poles. The Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. Arctic Circle, that is in the northern hemisphere. Next, here what is the activity is given here. Draw a diagram of the globe showing the Earth axis, the equator, tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Children, now you will take a one ball and color it. After that you locate these are all lines upon the, that is a model upon the ball. Okay children, next come to the next lesson, motions of the earth. First tick the correct answers are there. Do those bits. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as dash. Earth has two movements. What are those two movements? Rotation and revolution. Rotation means it rounds itself. Revolution means it revolves around the sun. Here the earth around the sun. That's why your answer is revolution. 2 is the correct answer of the first bit. Revolution. The direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on dash. Here the dates are given, 21st March, 21st June and 22 of December. Here equator, equinox, you remember the word equinox. What is meant by equinox means on March 21st and September 23, the direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. So, the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights. That's why these two dates are called equinox. Here, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on March 21st. March 21st and September 23. Next, Christmas is celebrated in summer in dash country, Japan, India and Australia. What is your answer here? Australia. Why? The reason is in Australia summer is going on in the month of December. That's why Australia celebrated the Christmas. Australians celebrated the Christmas festival in summer season. Next, cycle of the seasons is caused due to dash motion. Revolution. Due to the rotation, day and nights caused due to revolution, seasons caused. Next, come to the fill in the blanks. A leap year has dash number of days. Leap year has 366 days. Okay. Here the revolution. Revolution means the earth moves around the sun in its orbit. It is called the revolution. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. Every day you consider year means 365 days. 6 hours saved every year are added to make one day over a span of 4 years. This surplus day is added to month of February. Thus, every 4th year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called the leap year. Next, the daily motion of the earth is rotation. The daily motion of the earth is rotation. Next, the earth travels around the sun in one fixed orbit. One fixed orbit. What is the shape of that orbit? Is elongated shape. The sun's rays fall vertically on the tropic of dash on 21st June. 21st June, the sun rays fall vertically on the tropic of Cancer. Next, days are shorter during the dash season. Days are shorter and nights are longer. Which season? That is called the winter season. Okay, children? Okay, children, have you completed 1, 2, 3 lessons bit part? And get ready to listen the next video history part. Thank you. Bye.